ma'am.
Shivansh, you will say the prayer loud and clear. Vinayak,
Okay,
join your
ma'am.
hands. Put your pencil down. Vinayak, put your pencil down, child. Join your hands. Sanvi, join your hands. Close your eyes, all of you. Prayer time. Sakina, this is how you sit for the prayer. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Astha, join your hands. Rudrash, good morning. Join your hands
Good
straight.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. All right, Shivansh, you can begin with the prayer.
Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sins against us. Do not let us do the test, but deliver us from evil.
Amen. Very good, Shivansh. You said the prayer very nicely, loud and clear. Thank you. A very good morning to
Welcome,
all of
ma'am.
you, children. Welcome,
Good
child.
morning,
Good morning to
ma'am.
all of you. Good morning, Vaishnavi. I cannot see you. Switch on your camera. Hardik, switch on your camera.
मैं तो कैमरा खुला ही है।
I cannot see you. You're the only child I cannot see. Arham, Kriday, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Sit straight now. It's science period. Yesterday we were doing the lesson. Which lesson were we doing yesterday, Ali? Ali is feeling sleepy. Ali, which lesson
Ma'am,
were we doing yesterday, Ali? Science, which lesson were we doing yesterday, Ali?
we
Yes, which one?
surround us.
Things around us. That's right. We were doing the lesson Things Around Us. And I told you to read the lesson and learn up all the difficult words. Did you all learn the difficult words? Give me a thumbs up. How many of you did? All right. Now let me see how many of you have done your homework. Inaya,
मैम मैंने चैप्टर 1 किया था।
you didn't learn the spellings?
नो मैम।
Okay. Arav,
मैम
spell natural.
लॉ
Natural.
नेचुरल
Yes, spell the word natural.
एन एन ई
Don't look at mummy. Mummy को बोलिए वहां से खड़े होकर आपको बताए नहीं. If you know it, you spell it. If you don't know, say, Ma'am, I don't know. I'll learn it again.
मैम आई एम नॉट लर्निंग।
Okay, fine. Then you learn it up today. All right. Ishanvi, spell the word natural. Ishanvi, you also don't know. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. शुरू से हम आप लोगों से कहते आ रहे हैं जो भी लेसन किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में हम कर रहे हैं आपको सारी स्पेलिंग्स लर्न करनी है। क्लास 1 में जो कुछ कर रहे हैं सब कुछ आपको लर्न करना है Whatever spellings you will learn now, children, you will remember that all your life. So make sure you are doing your learning work, which is very important. I will be sending you list of words. Science में Pranjali, stop whistling in the class and keep yourself muted, please. Children, I will be sending you a list of words from all the lessons that we have done till now in science. एक एक दिन हम आपको सेंड करेंगे, एक दिन साइंस के सेंड करेंगे, एक दिन सोशल स्टडीज के, राइट? Then I'll be sending you the difficult words, that spellings which you need to know in maths also. For example, the spelling of between, after, before, all this you should know. So I will be sending you a list of words: science, social studies, English literature, all the subjects. For science and social studies, you can underline the words in the lesson in your book itself. You don't need to write them anywhere. You can just underline the words in your book and learn them up. साइंस और सोशल स्टडीज़ के वर्ड्स जो हम आपको सेंड करेंगे वो आप अंडरलाइन करके लर्न करेंगे, डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? यस. एंड one more thing. Yesterday I had posted a message in the class group that this year we are going to celebrate International Yoga Day, for which you will be having your yoga classes. You'll have practices for that, right? From tomorrow we are starting practice. Tomorrow you will have your practice. Remember, you will wear comfortable clothes, children, yoga करने के लिए. And all the girls who have long hair, keep your hair tight. जिस तरह से क्लास में रहते उसी तरह अपने पीटी क्लास में भी आप लोग अटेंड करेंगे. पीटी मैम will be there. I will be there with you all. Okay? And you will be doing yoga practices. और याद रखिएगा, बेड पे अगर खड़े होने वाली एक्सरसाइज है तो बेड पे खड़े होकर आप ठीक से नहीं कर पाएंगे. यस. सो फाइंड अ कंफर्टेबल प्लेस फॉर योर सेल्फ इन द हाउस जहाँ पर आप अपनी पीटी अच्छे से कर सकेंगे, ऑल योर योगा एक्सरसाइजेस. गॉट इट? डिड यू हियर व्हाट आई सेड? देन प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड सो दैट आई नो योर हियरिंग. Right? Now those children whose cameras are off, please make sure they are on. Science book, things around us. Let's quickly revise. Shivansh, name 2 natural things. Quickly, only 2 natural things.
Mountain, rocks.
Mountains and rocks. Very good. Arab, name 2 man-made things. Quickly.
Computer.
Yes.
Chair.
Computer and chair. Okay, fine. Ronek, name 2 living things. Quickly, 2 living things. Yesterday I made you count on your fingers 3 living things. You have to name only 2. Quickly.
Man-made. Man.
Living things.
Birds. Man.
Yes.
Birds.
Man, birds. Okay, fine, good. Pranjali, name 2 non-living things. Your mic is off, child.
Milk and house.
Milk and Pranjali, repeat it. Car and house. Okay, fine, good. So now you know what are man-made things, you know what are natural things, you know what are living things, what are non-living things. Now come to page number 27. Page number 27, all of you. Page number 27, all of you. And come to this box. It says, write any 3 man-made things that you see in the classroom. Now, children, last year you didn't go to school, but in your nursery class you went to school. When you were in nursery class, you went to school, yes? Did you? Do you remember what all you saw in your nursery class? Can you name any man-made things जो class में थी? Do you remember? Yes, Anaya?
Ma'am, table,
Table,
chair,
all
chalk.
right. Table, chair,
Blackboard.
blackboard. Okay, that's right. So all of you write over there. You have 2 lines given there. You'll put commas and write over there. Table, table. I want to see all of you writing. Please switch on your cameras. Some children have switched it off. Shubh, are you there in the class?
Ma'am, table की spelling बता दीजिए.
Table, table.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. I'm going to give you a spellings test one day of all the subject spellings. Table, table. Comma, put a comma there. Chair, chair, chair. Chair. And blackboard, comma, blackboard. Do you know the spelling of blackboard?
Ma'am, 12 की spelling.
chair, chair. Children, let me tell you one more thing. बहुत जल्दी एक कंपटीशन होने वाला है स्पेल वेल, जिसमें आपको स्पेलिंग्स का टेस्ट लिया जाएगा. इसीलिए हम आपको रोज बोलते हैं स्पेलिंग्स लर्न करने के लिए, सारे सब्जेक्ट्स की स्पेलिंग. अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा रोज लर्न करेंगे तो सब कुछ लर्न हो जाएगा. अगर सब कुछ पाइल अप करके रखेंगे तो एक साथ नहीं हो पाएगा. मैंने आपको हमेशा समझाया है, खाना रोज़ खाते हैं, सब कलेक्ट करके पूरे वीक का एक दिन में नहीं खाते हैं. उसी तरह पढ़ाई भी रोज़ करनी है, लर्निंग वर्क रोज़ करना है. Have you written the spelling of blackboard? Pranjali, spell blackboard. Do you know the spelling? Pranjali, do you know the spelling? Yes or no? Quickly.
Yes.
Come on, spell it.
B. B-L-A-C-K, black, B-O-A-D, board.
B-O-A-R-D, board. Blackboard. Okay, good. So all of you have written these 3 words. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Now let's move to this box here. Put your finger here. There's something interesting here. Good to know. Yes, Asta? Yes, Asta?
Blackboard की spelling बता दीजिए ना.
B-L-A-C-K, black. B-O-A-R-D, board. Blackboard. The famous Taj Mahal in Agra is one of the man-made wonders in the world. It took 20 years to build the structure. Now children, this yellow box is giving you some information. All of you must have heard of Taj Mahal. Maybe some of you have visited that place. Yes, Christopher? Christopher, page number 27. Have you finished that book? Check your progress. We have to write 3 words over there. 3 man-made things that you see in the classroom. Have you finished, Christopher? Give me a thumbs up quickly. Christopher, have you finished? All right. So, man has made many beautiful things, children, and one of those things are the Taj Mahal. Has anyone been to the Taj Mahal? There must be some of you who have visited the Taj Mahal in Agra. Has anyone been to the Taj? All right, I don't think there's anyone. There was some network problem. Okay, so is there anyone who has been to the Taj Mahal? Raise your hand if you have. Okay, Shanvi is giving me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
I said
Yes,
just raise.
ma'am.
I said raise your hands.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aram.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aram.
मैम फिर से बता दीजिए नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह से लेफ्ट हो गया था मैम.
Yes, I'm just saying we are reading this information which is given here that man has made lot of beautiful things. And one of those is the Taj Mahal in Agra. Man has made this beautiful monument and it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. People come to see it. There are 7 wonders in the world and people come to see the Taj Mahal. It took 20 years to build this. मैन ने बनाया है और इसको बनाने में 20 years लग गए थे, लेकिन it is beautiful. People go to see that beautiful wonder. And Ishanvi was raising her hand. I think Ishanvi has been to this place. Ishanvi, have you seen the Taj Mahal? Ishanvi? Yes, Ishanvi has seen this beautiful monument. Oh, Ronik has also been there. That's nice. Okay, that's lovely. Now let's revise the green box. Yes, Ali, you have also been. Okay. All right. Now put your finger in the green box.
मैंने भी देखा है.
All
मैंने
right.
भी देखा है.
Okay, Hardik, very good. Now put your finger there in the green
मैंने भी
box.
देखा है.
All right,
मैम मैंने
Haya.
भी देखा है.
Now everybody is saying when I was asking, then nobody was raising hand, and now everybody's mic is on. Now put your finger there in the green box. Let's quickly revise. We see many things around us. Open your mouth and read. I want to see your lip movement, all of you. We see many things around us. Man-made things are made by man, like car, bus, books, etc. Natural things are not made by man, like rivers, hills, stones, etc. Etc. means many more things. We use as short form. Living things eat food, grow, breathe, move, feel, and produce babies. All this we studied in this chapter, and I had asked you to read it. Make sure you read it today. Come to exercise number 1, write true or false. Exercise number 1, write true or false. Let's do it quickly. Living things need food. True or false? Omanj?
Blue.
True. Spell true. Give me the spelling of the word true.
मैम मुझे नहीं आता है.
सामने देखिए, वहां पर लिखा है राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स. ट्रू की स्पेलिंग वहां लिखिए, देख के बताइए. TRUE.
TRUE.
Okay, now write that word. On the line given in front, living things need food. True. All of you have written, then give me a thumbs up. Hassan, have you written? Next, B. Plants and animals are non-living things. Ria, plants and animals are non-living things. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
False, yes, because plants and animals are living things. Write false, F-A-L-S-E. Please write the correct spelling, children. F-A-L-S-E.
Ma'am,
Yes,
क्या होगा?
Christopher, A answer is true, B answer is false.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, now C answer you tell me, Christopher. Non-living things produce babies. Non-living things like table, chair, they produce babies. Is that true? क्या table, chair, fan, bed, do they give babies? Do they produce babies, Christopher?
False,
Yes?
ma'am.
False. Okay, right. So right over there, C, false. F-A-L-S-E. Please make sure you're writing the correct spelling. Don't write short form. Write the full word. Shub, the next one. A car is a living thing. Shub. Okay, he says false. A car
No, ma'am.
is, yes, false. So F-A-L-S-E. Hassan finished? Yes, that's nice. Now put over there learn. Remember, I always tell you to write learn on all the exercises because you have to learn, children. Put over there learn, exercise 1. Lift your books and show me. Let me see everybody has finished. Everybody lift your books and show it to me. All right, very good. Now moving on to the next exercise, number 2, that is fill in the blanks. Birds are dash things. You have the options given in the brackets. The helping words are given in the brackets. Birds are dash things. Living or non-living? Ishanvi, think and answer. Birds are living.
Living.
Very good. Birds are living things. So write the word L-I-V-I-N-G. All of you write the word there, living. Vinayak, the next one. Non-living things dash breathe. Non-living things dash breathe. Do or do not?
Do not.
Do not. Very good. So please write over there, do not. Good, Vinayak. That's how you have to answer. Loud and clear. I like it. Write over there, do not. Hardik, the next one. Mountains and dash are natural things. And your options are buses or rocks. Your options are buses or rocks. Which is the correct? Again you are looking somewhere, Hardik. अपने आप सोच के बताना है ना, मैम ने बोला है. Mountains and dash. Options are buses and
Good
rocks.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Prashasti. Prashasti, science book, page number 27, exercise 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Mountains and dash are natural things. Buses or rocks?
Horses.
Hardik?
Horses.
नेचुरल थिंग्स जो ऑलरेडी नेचर में पहले से हैं। रॉक्स हम बोलते हैं पत्थरों को। तो बसेस और रॉक्स दोनों में से कौन सी चीज है जो नेचुरल है? सोच के बताइए। रॉक्स हम बोलते हैं पत्थरों को।
Rocks. Rocks.
रॉक्स।
Rock.
रॉक्स। हु हैज मेड द रॉक्स? हार्दिक।
Ma'am, rocks. Ma'am.
हार्दिक।
Rocks.
Pranjali, will you please be quiet?
Yes.
One child is trying to answer. I'm trying to help him to learn something, and you're constantly hopping from here to there and speaking. Yes, Hardik? रॉक्स किसने बनाए हैं हार्दिक? मैन ने या गॉड ने?
Man. God.
गॉड हैज मेड। हार्दिक
God.
सोच के बताइए। बसेस जो है नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, वो अपने आप चल नहीं सकती, बोल नहीं सकती हैं। यस, buses are made by man. So the answer is rocks. All of you write over there, children. Rocks. ROCKS.
Rock.
Right. Thank you, Hardik. Next, dash things grow, living or non-living. Vaishnavi, dash things grow. कौन सी चीजें हैं जो ग्रो करती हैं? लिविंग थिंग्स या नॉन लिविंग?
Plant.
Plants. So plants are living things or non-living?
Living thing.
Why are you looking that side? Look in front.
Living thing.
Yes, living. So we write over there LIVING, living. Hayat, the next one. A book is a dash thing. A book is a dash thing. And your options are man-made or natural.
Man, book are natural things.
Books are natural things. Okay, why do you say natural thing? Hayat, look at ma'am.
Man.
आपने बोला natural things. क्यों natural thing है वो?
Man ने बनाया.
नेचुरल थिंग नहीं है वो, मैन मेड थिंग है। राइट, बिकॉज मैन ने बनाया है तो उसको मैन मेड हम बोलेंगे। नेचुरल चीजें वो होती हैं जो नेचर में पहले से हैं। राइट, गॉट इट हयात? ऑलराइट, अ बुक इज अ मैन मेड थिंग। चिल्ड्रन राइट ओवर देयर मैन मेड। And put learn on that exercise, all of you. Then get ready for your attendance. Rudraksh, tomorrow you will say the assembly prayer. Please be prepared. Today by the evening you will send me your audio of the prayer. Right? Alright, attendance. Anya Nigam.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav Maurya.
Present, ma'am.
Ayat Momina Haider. Adhiraj. Ansh Francis. Aradhya Shivastav. Today Aradhya is not here. Astha Tripathi.
Present, ma'am.
Ayat Fatima Rizvi. Christopher Massey.
Ma'am.
Hardik Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Hayat Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Inaya Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi. Hriday. Rishita.
Present, ma'am.
Mahira, Manjeet, Meher. They are all absent. Mohammad Arham.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Mohammad Hassan. Mohammad Hassan. Nipun Giri.
Present, ma'am.
Oman Shagarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Pranjali Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Prashasti Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Priya. Rudraksh. Please answer fast,
Present,
children.
ma'am. Ma'am, I am present.
Ronik.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Sakina Abbas.
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh Mishra. Shubh Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
Syed Mohammad Wali Abbas.
Present, ma'am.
Syed Mohammad Ali Altamash.
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Bijwal Mehra.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Tanvi Sonkar.
मेरी बारी हो चुकी
Arav Nigam. Anay Mishra. All right. Now, children, you can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. We have moral science in the next period. So be ready with your moral science book. Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?